Our word for today is DUHUL. DUHUL, which means at the end. So our steps: identify the consonants. We have letter D, letter H, and letter L. So in Sulat Sug, D is dal, and it is written like this. Ha is ha, like this. But if it's in the middle, you write it like this. Then we have L, which is lam in Sulat Sug, so you write it like this. So now we write them from right to left. So we start with letter D or dal from the right. So dal. Then its vowel sound is U, so it's dapan. So dal dapan do. Then next we have ha. So we write ha. And its vowel sound is also dapan, duhu, duhu. Then lastly we have the consonant lam. Lam is written like this. And does it have any vowel sound? No, it doesn't have any vowel sound. It's at the end. Yang siya duhul. So we had the sukun or bais patay. Now that's how you spell it. Da dapan du, ha dapan hu, mono lam dul, duhul. Now how do we connect this? Now there's a rule that there are letters that you cannot connect another letter after it, which includes dal. So here they are: adru, alif, dal, ra, and waw. If we include the Arabic, we should also include dal and zay. But these are not native letters in Bahasa Sug. These are Arabic. So just use these for letters. So dal is one of those letters that you cannot connect another letter after it. So it should stand alone. So if we connect this, you just write dal separately. Then we will connect ha and lam. Right. So that's how you write it. Duhul. 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 Subscribe for more.